tired of your stream dropping frames or looking like a pixelated mess? Let's fix that right now. Look at this crisp gameplay I just recorded using these exact OBS settings. And make sure to stick around because the last 10 seconds of this video will be my actual voice to test the mic and background noise. Now real voice test.
Hello. Can you hear my voice? Hello. Can you hear my voice? Hello.
The best OBS Studio settings. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm not going to overcomplicate things. I'll simply show you the exact settings I use. I've been live streaming for the past 3 months, so I'm sharing this based on my own hands-on experience. Next, I'll show you some settings. Just copy them exactly for your own setup. First, let's head over to the settings menu in the bottom right corner. Let's start with the output tab. This is the most important part for a smooth stream. Since I don't have a dedicated GPU right now, I am using these specific settings and keeping my video bitrate at 4250 kbps. But if you have a graphics card, I highly recommend using the hardware NVENC encoder and setting your bitrate to 6000 kbps. Just like I mentioned earlier, you can always adjust this depending on your upload speed. Now moving on to the video tab, my base and output resolutions are both set to 1080p. I set my common FPS values to 60 for that crisp, smooth gameplay arc. Next, I'll show you some settings. Just copy them exactly for your own setup. I'll also break down what each one does so you understand it. First, click this plus icon and add these settings for live streaming and recording. First, add a game capture source to capture different games. Then, add a display capture source if you need to capture your full display. Now add audio input capture and audio output capture. Choose these filters and add. Choose these filters and add. Starting with mic settings, just watch it and copy it in your OBS. Keep your settings like this, but tweak them based on your mic and PC. Watch and apply these settings on your PC exactly the same, okay? These are the exact settings that have been working perfectly over the last few months. If this quick guide helped you out, make sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button.